2. So, while discussing the Unit 1 and timeline of the development of mathematics in ancient period. What is the development of mathematics in ancient times? From 3000 BC, the Mesopotamian states of Sumer, Akkad, and Assyria, followed closely by ancient Egypt, and the Levantine state of Ebla began using arithmetic and algebra and geometry for purposes of taxation and commerce, trade, and also in the patterns in nature, the laws of astronomy, and to record time and formulate of calendars. So ancient period 3000 BC to 260 AD. Number A. Number systems and arithmetic. Development of numeration systems and creations of arithmetic techniques and lookup tables, the abacus, and other calculation tools. B. Practical measurement, geometry, and astronomy. Measurement units devised to quantify distance, area, volume. Geometric reasoning used to measure distances and directly. Invented to predict seasons, astronomical events, and geometrical forms and patterns appear in art and architecture. Practical mathematics. So as ancient civilizations developed, the need for practical mathematics increased, and they required enumeration systems and arithmetic techniques for variety measurement strategies for reconstructions and astronomical calculations to track the seasons and cosmic cycles. Babylonian numerals. This mathematical tablet was recovered in an unknown place in the Iraqi desert, dating originally sometimes around 2 BC to 1800 BC. The table presents a lesson in Babylonia, and these numeration systems uses only 2 symbols and base of 60. Here are the table of the Babylonians of Jameson 322. Calculating devices. These Babylonians marble and counting bird C and 300 BC, and the Roman bronze and pocket abacus, and the lastly is Chinese water abacus. So in here, in a Greek period of 600 BC to 450 AD, Greek logic and philosophy. Greek philosophers promote logical, rational explanations of material phenomena. Schools of logic and science and mathematics are established, and mathematics is viewed as more than a tool to solve practical problems. It is seen as means to understand divine laws. Mathematics achieved fame are valued for their work. B is Euclidean, and geometry is the first mathematical system based on postulates, theories, and proofs appears in Euclid's elements. So mathematics and Greek philosophy. So here is the Greek philosophers viewed the universe in the mathematical terms, and Plato described 5 elements that form the world and related them to the 5 regular polyhedra. So we are octahedrons, cube, tetrahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron. So this is the air, earth, fire, and the universe and water. So Euclid's elements. There's a translations of Euclid's Elements of Geometry, propositions 47 of Pythagorean theorem. They are Greek, Arabic, Latin, French, English, and Chinese. Hindu-Arabian period 200 BC and 2250 AD. So here is development and spread of Hindu-Arabic numbers. Is a numeration systems using base 10 positional notations, and the very simple and powerful arithmetic techniques is developed by the Hindus and approximately BC to 800 AD. The Hindu numeration system is adopted by the Arabs and spread throughout their sphere of influence approximately 780 to 1250 AD. Letter B. Preservations of Greek mathematics. The Arab scholars copied and studied Greek mathematical works, principally is and letter C is development of algebra and trigonometry. These Arab mathematicians find methods of solutions for quadratic, cubic, and higher degree polynomial equations. The English word algebra is derived from the title of an Arabic book describing these methods. Hindu trigonometry, especially science tables, is improved and advanced by Arab mathematicians. Islamic astronomy by science. This many of the science developed from needs to fulfill the rituals and duties of Muslim worship. Performing formal prayers requires that a Muslim faces Mecca to find Mecca from any part of the globe, and Muslims invite the compass and develop the science of geometry and geometry, also the choreography and geometry. This prince of fasting required knowing of its duties because these times are marked by astronomical phenomena in science of astronomy underwent a hard development. Disappointing astronomers at work in the observatory of Istanbul. These are aventurists. Nil al-Khwarizmi, si Abu Abdallah Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi, who says 180 was a Persian mathematician, a scientist and an author, and he worked in Baghdad and wrote all his works in Arabic. And he developed the concepts of an algorithm in mathematics, and the words of algorithm and algorithm derive ultimately from his name. And his systematic and logical approach to solving linear and quadratic equations gave shape to the discipline of algebra, a word that is derived from the name of his book on the subject in Hizab al-Jab wa al-Muhaqabala, or al-Jab algebra. So he was also instrumental in promoting the Hindu-Arabic enumeration system. Evolutions of Hindu-Arabic numerals. So here is the examples of Hindu-Arabic numerals. So these are periods of transmissions of 1000 AD to 1500 AD. So A. Discovery of Greek and Hindu-Arab mathematics. So Greek mathematics texts are translated Latin. Greek ideas about logic, geometrical reasoning, and a rational view of the world were discovered. Then Arab works on algebra and trigonometry are also translated into Latin and disseminated throughout Europe. Then letter B, spread of the Hindu-Arabic enumeration system. In Hindu-Arabic, numerals slowly spread over Europe, and pen and paper arithmetic and algorithms based on Hindu-Arabic numerals replaced the use of the abacus. Si Leonardo of Pisa, he said from Leonardo of Pisa's famous book Liber Bassus to 1202 AD. These are the 9 figures of the Indians: 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With these 9 figures and with the sign 0, which in Arabic is called 0. Any number can be written as will be demonstrated. The Abbasids and Algorists compete. This woodblock engraving of a competitions between arithmetic techniques is from Margarita Pelastica by Gregorius Rich, Celebribors 1503. So Lady Arithmetic standing in the center gives her a judgment by smiling on the arithmeticians working with Arabic numerals and the 0. So look at the pictures that loaded. So the discovery of Greek geometry is local partially for 1445 to 1513. So, Franciscan friar and mathematician stands on a table filled with geometrical tools, lead, chalk, compass, dodecahedron, model, etc., illustrating a theorem from Euclid, and while examining a beautiful glass and proctahedron and half filled with water. Then, partially, Leonardo da Vinci is locally 1500 book. The Divine Proportions was illustrated by Leonardo da Vinci. Shown here is a drawing of an icosahedron and elevated form of it, and for the elevated forms, each piece is augmented with a pyramid composed of elliptical triangles. Leonardo da Vinci his throne here is in the drawing siya of may gitawag na icosahedron as unelevated. So the book of the Divine Proportion. So here that all. Thank you for listening, and God bless always.